Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Muhammad Azim bin Ishaq. I am from group colloquialism. Today we would like to present our research regarding poor drainage system in Kampung Parit Daun Tengah. I would like to pass for the presentation to my member. Thank you.
My name is Siti Zainina Arifah binti Muhammad Isa. So, for the background of study, sustainable drainage system are approaches put in place to manage the water quantity, flooding, water quality, pollution, and amenity issues in the environment. Sustainable drainage is a concept that includes long-term environmental and social factors in decision about drainage. In this research, the researcher chooses to run the research in Kampung Parit Daun Tengah, located approximately 8 km from UTHM. This place being chosen is because their drainage system is worse since flash flood and water stagnation always happen even if heavy rain occurs only for 30 minutes. So, the aim of the research being run is to see how people react to the clogged drain and to give some awareness to the community regarding the importance of drainage system. For the literature review, drainage is the natural or artificial remove of a surface water and subsurface water from an area. Victor 2010 carried out an investigation into the adequacy of the drainage system at Narok Mine to study the effect of inadequate drainage system. As a result, the surrounding environment was greatly affected as exemplified by runoff washing away some section of the roads and bridges, creating gullies on people's land, blockage of the road and lost property. From the review, it has been concluded that poor drainage facilities have many devastating effects on the economy of user. The effect of poor drainage system is very adverse. Therefore, effective drainage system should be taken into consideration during construction. Thus, proper design, construction and maintenance practice should be adopted.
Next is problem statement. Parit Raja is an area which encompasses of factories, food stall, village, supermarket and existing in university. Due to this, the problems towards drainage system is increasing steadily. These problems may affect villages and also students that lead to decreasing number of productivities. The main reason this problem occur is because the structure of the drainage systems are not suitable and insufficient space of the drain to contain the volume of the water. Therefore, the purpose of doing this research is to come up with new alternative or ways to settle this situation. The respondents of the research will be the villages in Kampung Parit Daun Tengah. For the objective to determine how do people react to the clogged drain problems. Secondly is to give awareness to the community regarding the importance of the drainage system. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Zabir Ismail. Right now, I will explain about significance of the study. The finding of the study will help the villager houses from facing any worse condition regarding drainage system failure. It also can improve productivity of villagers in agriculture activity. If this study is successful, it will be able to help villagers and also the community around Batu Pahat from facing flash flood problems and also the dengue fever cases.
Okay, next, my name is Fredian Delvutio and I will like to explain about our limitation of the study. Okay, for our limitation, in our research, we face a limitation on doing our research, which is first limitation the number of respondents are limited and small. Second, the respondent not understand the question because it was in English language and we have to explain to them so that they can understand. And some of them does not honest to their answer. Okay, for the third is this research has not enough time period for us to get the ideal result since it's only for this semester. Lastly, we do not have previous conducted research to help us in design this research such as journal or research. Okay, next I would like to explain for the methodology. Okay, in this study we are using quantitative method, which is questionnaire to collect our data that we obtain from respondent. Okay, first element is the study site. So for the study site, this study is we take in Kampung Parit Daun Tengah, which is approximately 8 km from UTHM, and this place is the most suitable to do our research since the site faces the poor drainage system problem. Okay, second element is the respondent. So the respondent is we take 30 villages in Kampung Parit Daun Tengah that been chosen randomly to answer the questionnaire. Okay, for the next element is instrument. Okay, in this research, the instrument used to collect data in order to answer research question. The question for the surveys developed. There are 3 sections, which is section A, B, and C, which is question respectively provided for the respondent to answer. Next is the data analysis. For the data analysis, the analysis of the questionnaire result took place in SPSS due to large number of respondents. And answer set of the questionnaire, SPSS is a widely used program for statistical analysis in social science. That's all for me. I will pass to next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arif Izlan bin Razlan, and I'm gonna present about the timeline for this questionnaire. Okay, actually we will using weeks timeline, not month, and we will start from the planning. For the planning, we will take about 2 weeks of times, and then we will go to the pilot testing. We will take about also 2 weeks, which is weeks 3 and 4, and then next we will proceed to the data collection, which is from week 5 to week 10. Okay, next we will go to the analysis, which is we just do in 1 week, which is week 11, and the last one is report writing and submission, which is in week 12. Next I'm gonna tell about the survey questions. Okay, actually we are divided into 3 sections, which is the first section is we will ask about the demographic data or the information. We will ask about the gender, age, race, and the occupation of the respondent. Okay, next we will talk about the section B, which is how the people react to the case. For example, the question is how you ever seen the water from the trench overflow, or what is the causes of the clogged drain. Okay, the next section or the last one is the section C, which is the awareness of the community regarding the importance of drainage system. Okay, the example of the question is how we do think a good drainage system important, or how can we improve the drainage system to be better. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.